Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive right into how everyday professionals are literally striking gold using AI. So, what do a public school teacher and a delivery driver actually have in common today?
Well, both of them used AI to totally pivot their careers and unlock real financial freedom.
See, AI isn't magic. It's just a skill multiplier. It takes your existing human abilities and scales them exponentially. Take Sarah, a teacher who was really struggling to pay bills despite working totally exhausting hours. She took her deep, transferable knowledge of curriculum planning and paired it with AI's incredible speed. By leveraging those organizational skills, she turned a tiny side hustle into a multi-million-dollar business. Crazy, right? Then there's Michael. He was a delivery driver, feeling completely stuck in an endless, repetitive loop. He started using AI to instantly generate digital design assets that local businesses absolutely always need. The kicker? His most valuable transferable skill when entering this new industry was just relentless consistency. All across America, freelancers are doing exactly this, leveraging their domain knowledge to scale their output exponentially. Look at these time savings. AI literally slashes hours of boring research and drafting into mere fractions. They aren't competing with the tech guys. They're working right alongside it to serve clients way faster. Or take Jason, a college kid who noticed local business owners were completely bewildered by AI.
He built a massive consulting business just by mastering these tools and guiding others through them.
Okay, reality check time. Why do so many people totally miss this pivot or end up failing? Honestly, human psychology. People fear change, they hesitate, or they just expect instant magical wealth overnight. The real truth is that pivoting into a new industry heavily relies on your human soft skills. People pay for actual solutions, not just shiny tech. You still have to bring your raw ambition. Success takes time. This blueprint shows how you learn, build consistency, and scale up over the years.
The window to pivot your career is wide open right now. So what's your next move going to be?